Get to know the current political issues, the real stories behind the headlines. Get interactive. My Politics with Art Barrit. Only here on My TV Cebu.
Good evening, my dear televiewers. Once again, welcome to our weekly show, My Politics. This is your host, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is a regional director of one of the government agencies whose task is to help the poorest among the poor in the country that are more or less not a victim per se, but due to the coronavirus pandemic and due to this lethal virus that we are in now, a lot of people are suffering. So the Department of Social Welfare and Development, the DSWD, is one of the government agencies whose task is to distribute the Social Amelioration Fund. And it's the Social Amelioration Program instituted by the national government through the Bayanihan to Heal as One Law. So, gentlemen and ladies, our guest this evening is our regional director of the DSWD in the region, Director Rebecca Geamala. Director Geamala, good evening, ma'am. Welcome, and thank you very much for being our guest this evening.
Yeah, good evening, Art. Good evening sa lahat na nakikinig ngayon. Thank you for giving us the chance.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, let's go to the Social Amelioration Program. Okay, now, what is the status now, and what is the scope of the distribution of the program in the region?
Yeah, we all know that we have 132 ka mga LGUs diri sa buong region. And we have 1,058,075 ka mga tao na talagang tinutulungan ng Social Amelioration Program. And of course, the amount that was given to us, kining 6.348 billion pesos.
I see.
That is only for
sa
the
buong rehiyon, ma'am.
Yeah, that's for the whole region at sa buong for the whole region, yes.
Okay.
And that is only good for 1 month for April. Kasi pag May, another second round tayo.
I see. Mayroon pang second tranche.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. How is the participation or the approach of the DSWD to the local government units, considering that a lot of local government executives are also distributing the sub form, I think, that's coming from the agency, and it is coursed to the local government unit, and they have to identify and then submit it to the agency, and the agency will verify or assess those submitted lists?
Yes. Actually, Art, what we have done before, kining March pa lang, we have, second week of April, we have coordinated with all the local government units.
I see.
Gumawa tayo ng mga orientation, massive, even sa dili man natin napuntahan dun sa iba't ibang LGUs, gumawa tayo ng video conferencing, interviews, and orientation. And I'm happy to tell the public na talagang we have these LGUs in Cebu, in Bohol, in Negros Oriental, and Siquijor na talagang very, very cooperative sila.
I see.
Yung ginawa natin, we have given them the figure because the figure of how many that will be given to one LGU is based on PSA. No? Tapos, nag-add tayo ng mga 10% dyan, times mo 70, yun ang figure na binigay namin sa kanila.
I see.
So,
But prior to that, Director Geamala, meron na tayong demographic profiling per LGU as to the indigent families in the region?
We have this actually listahanan. But etong listahanan, nagamit natin yan of identifying who the poor are.
Okay.
Pero yung figure na ginawa natin o binigay sa kanila, it came talaga from PSA. So yung mga taong na-identify, tapos binigyan natin sila, what we did, we told the local government that it's the barangay local government officials ang mag-identify sa kanya-kanyang mga barangay. So, it's the barangay officials na talagang gumawa ng paraan, nag-house to house sila, binigay nila ang Social Amelioration Card at saka binalikman sa kanila doon sa CS or sa MSWDO.
Okay.
Now,
so pagbalik sa agency, pagbalik sa opisina ninyo, so you will assess and something like validate those submitted names?
We actually have workers in the different local government units. Okay. Meron tayong mga pantawid dyan, no? Yung mga kalahi, yung social pension or tawag nito ng sa PDO, livelihood. So sila ay nagtulong sa mga local government units. Actually, ang most of the LGUs, BLGUs, ginamit nila yung ilang mga barangay health workers and some others, barangay officials. Okay, sila ang nag-house to house. Pagkatapos, sinubmit nila yun sa municipal welfare officers natin.
Okay.
Itong MSWDO, sila ang nag-encode. There are those mga staff natin na nagtulong sa kanila o nag-supervise on the encoding.
Okay.
Tapos, ito ang figure, ginawa nila ng project proposal. We leaned on there and we trusted the LGUs, our partners, sila yung LCEs, no, local official ng mga mayor natin. We trusted them so much na talagang they were elected.
I see.
So, pinadala nila sa amin yung resolution ng munisipyo na talagang they are endorsing the mayor to make a MOA with me, no? And yun, linagay namin kung magkano ang kailangan. But I believe that there are those LGUs na talagang magsabi nga, sobra man ang ilang
Okay. Now, Director Geamala, ma'am, what about if mayroong sobra? Well, of course, the agency made an explanation or an information dissemination drive of who are those beneficiaries under the sub-program. Okay, so of course, those who are under the 4Ps are no longer qualified, and all other individuals, senior citizens or others, no?
Sir, Art, itong ating mga 4Ps talaga ay they are part of the program kasi they are poor families.
Okay.
Tapos, pero dili na tayo nagbigay sa kanila ng pera kasi ang talagang pera nila ay na-insert na sa mga ATMs nila.
Okay.
So, yung figure na hinanap natin ay non-4Ps. Non-4Ps. At saka, poorest of the poor sila. So, may mga category tayo. May mga category like non-4Ps, but poor. Yung mga those who are in non-formal ang sector nila, mga helpers, mga drivers, etc. Na talagang pagkatapos ng ng quarantine, talagang out of work na sila. Kasi marami mga kasambahay dyan na ongoing man sila. So, malaki man ang sweldo nila, plus the salary of some other members of the family, hindi yan kuan. Basta sige-sige sila. And those na mga vulnerable sectors, yung mga IPs natin, mga homeless families, so sila ang...
Okay, Ma'am Director Rebecca, how to treat those lists submitted by the local government executives na talagang sumubra
Okay. Actually, ito ang dilema sa atin, no? Because meron talagang sobra, no? Meron mang hindi sobra based on kung anong income ang LGU, let's say 4th, 5th class municipalities. Pero ang sobra, sinabi namin diyan sa kanila, okay, can you please list the names of these sobra, we call them left outs, no? Sabihin man natin na gusto natin sila serbisyuhan, pero ang budget for, let's say for example, sa Cebu, we only have 6.348 billion.
Okay.
Okay. So that is equivalent to the number of people that has been given to us, parang ganon. And ang aming pag-address dyan, isubmit sila sa DSWD. But I would like to emphasize this to the listening public na there is no assurance yet, ha? So we will be submitting that. Every day nag-submit ako ng listahan sa office ni Secretary. And kung ano ang mangyari dyan, they will know. We will know later. Kasi ang budget na 200 billion for DSWD today is only good for the number of people na
identified.
So
do you think or is there a way of asking the Secretary Director to augment the budget for the region or not only in Region 7 but likewise the budget of the DSWD under this program to have or to accommodate the sobra?
This is it. The 200 billion pesos that was given to the DSWD, this was actually kumbaga na within the number, no? The secretary knows kung magkano ang ating kailangan. The secretary is well informed of the number of people na talagang sobra left out sila, and they are trying their best to come up with a money or whatever para mabigyan sila. But as of today, I'm very sorry to tell the public na talagang basta wala pa sa amin ang pera, hindi kami maka-assure sa tao.
Okay. Yes, Director Geamala. Aside from that, but hindi pa naubos ang pera.
Ngayon, hindi pa. First month pa lang.
First month. So, for the second tranche, mayroon pa.
Yung second tranche natin, the 6.348 will be the same.
I see.
Kasi every month, yan ang binibigay natin.
Okay. And then, the submission of those beneficiaries, mayroon na cut-off? Or still ongoing?
We are having this ongoing submission today, but this will actually end up, no? So, ngayon, in the region, we have only 3, not to mention the names of the LGUs, we have 3 LGUs na talagang hindi pa nakasubmit ng left outs nila.
I see.
So, as of now, we have, I think, mga 400,000 plus left outs in the region ngayon.
Okay. So, of the total amount released by the DSWD on the first tranche, how much, Director Geamala?
That's actually, the total amount is 6,348,450,000.
But the amount released to the beneficiaries?
As of today.
As of today.
Sa 132 local government units, naka-transfer of funds na tayo ng 6,343,218,000.
But the budget is, you have only that much for the first month, for the first release, first tranche.
Yeah. Because after, kaya nga pinapadali ko na ang pagtapos nito because they were just given let's say for example, after receiving from them the ng mga MOA, etc., the other documents within the day, 24 hours yan, dapat aksyonan ko na yan and matransfer ko ang funds sa kanila. Now, ngayon, natapos na natin, nabigay na natin lahat, okay, may liquidation time tayo. Kasi within 15 days, dapat ma-liquidate yan ng local government. And then after that, there is another 6.343.
Another, for the second tranche.
For the second month.
We will discuss and we'll talk more about the issuance of course, the Memorandum of Agreement between the DSWD and the local government units. What are the mandatory and regulatory requirements? How to make an honest-to-goodness liquidation. So, don't go away after this reminder. Once again, welcome to our weekly show, My Politics. This is your host, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is our very own Regional Director of the Department of Social Work and Development, DSWD Regional Director here in Region VII, Director Rebecca Geamala. Ma'am, welcome. And to our televiewers, this is a program and this is a show that DSWD, I know a lot of people are waiting and listening to us, this particular issue, the Social Amelioration Program. Okay, now, what are the special guidelines on the provision of the SAP or the Social Amelioration Program?
Yes, Art. Thank you for giving us this opportunity, no? Ma-share natin sa publiko.
Exactly, yes.
Kung ano ang mandato ng DSWD with the local government units.
Yes.
Meron tayong Memorandum of Agreement. Kasi anuman ang activity or kanang tawag nating programa ng isang national government, basta dala na ang mga pumuluyo, we normally would have a MOA with them.
Okay. So, you have to have is memorandum of agreement, a MOA with the local government unit. Okay. Then the LGU, what are their programs or related duties to the implementation of the SAP?
Yes, kining SAP, nang tawag natong SAP ni Social Amelioration Program is not only the program of the DSWD.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
This is the program of the government to address COVID-19. Now, every office, meron silang mga programa, but naturally, ito, ang SAP, basta i-implement natin, ang partner natin dito ay local government.
Okay. What are the mandatory and regulatory requirements coming from the LGU to submit it to the DSWD in order to qualify, something like that?
Yes. Basically, ang qualification documents nila, simple lang. That the members of the legislative body nila should come up with a resolution. Okay, allowing the mayor to sign MOA with me.
I see.
Okay. And mayroon silang mga list of nagabigay tayo ng social amelioration card. They can determine, okay, na at the end of that, kailangan may figure na sila. And that figure, the number, will be placed in a project proposal na gawa nila ng proposal. I-submit sa atin. Kaya ako man ay aprubahan ko man ina siya.
I see.
All these three documents, no, talagang that is the basic documents that can be submitted by the local government to me. And then on top of that, during the conduct of payout and after na talagang mag-liquidate na sila, may mga dokumento pa rin tayo.
I see. So, all those original documents to be submitted to your office, to your agency.
Yes, sir. Because everyone should know, lahat tayo dapat intindihin natin, any single centavo that will come out from the pocket of the government, dapat ito, tayo, ang DSWD is part of the executive branch. Now, we are bound to liquidate. So, who is doing this SAP now? Ang sa amin, we are providing them the money. Okay, they will give that to the poor, and then they have to liquidate that with the SWD. Now, yun ang kasi gina-check yan ng Commission on Audit.
Yeah. So, you have the MOA, you have a MOA with the local chief executive, and then the MOA is mayroong tawag dito endorsement or coming from the city council or
Resolution.
the legislative body
Yeah.
for the mayor to have a MOA with you, and then ibigay yung pera and then liquidation.
Yes.
Okay? So that's the format.
Oo.
Okay?
Pero dito ngayon sa SAP, binibigyan natin sila ng Social Amelioration Card. Okay. Etong card, hindi ito ma-duplicate. Hindi ito ma-photocopy na talagang mag-produce sila ng
So mayroong
may coding ito, barcode.
Okay.
Oo. May barcode na kung ilan ang ibinigay sa kanila, yun lang. So, dili ka mo magsabi na maguna-una ba na ito may corruption na rin. Wala. Kasi ang point is kung minsan nga kulang because of the left outs. So, that's for the amelioration card. And then, pag ang local government units ay mag-submit na sa akin ng MOA, within 24 hours, aksyonan ko yan. Tapos, magpadala ako ng pera, ang pera sa government, LDAP, ADA, parang ganun. No, gina-transfer yan sa land bank, and land bank will give it to them. Okay. Pag alam na nila, kunin nila yung pera na yan.
I see. So aside from the financial assistance, mayroong food pack.
That's a different program.
Separate program.
A separate program. Actually,
but still under the COVID.
Yeah, we can say
Okay.
that it's under COVID, no?
Okay.
Kasi ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, may pandemic na ito eh. So, binibigyan natin sila kung may request sila. And sa request nila, okay, mag-request sila dyan, list of family members that will be provided with family packs.
Okay.
Okay, so the moment they have that, may proposal sila, bigyan namin sila kung magkano ang need nila.
I see. So aside from the food pack, so you don't have canned goods. It consists of they have rice, canned goods, and other essentials.
Very good art. Actually, or depende kung ano ang open sa mga suppliers natin, kaya kung minsan wala man nag-ano, basta ang amount is equivalent to a
those
family.
items listed.
Listed. Okay. And that can be consumed within 2 to 3 days.
So after that, mayroong augmentation or what?
Actually, this is it. The government believes na talagang, di ba, may fund tayo sa local government.
Yeah.
First thing first, it should be the local government who should provide the needs of the families in their local area. Pagkatapos niyan, pag makuha na, maubos na, then they will request it from us. Because
DSWD will just complement.
Yeah, in all instances, ang role ng DSWD is resource augmentation. Tara tayo, technical assistance and resource augmentation. So we are giving it to them within a period of time na pinapadali nga namin yan eh. So kung ma-comply nila, insigida, let's say for those na families, na kulang, wala, left out sila. So anong magawa natin dyan? Kung natapos na sila nabigyan ng local government, the national government can come in.
Okay. Director Geamala, ma'am, what are the safety nets of the DSWD if I am the LGU, being the recipient of the financial assistance? Then when I give it to the would-be beneficiaries, mayroong nagdagdag. So something like deduction from the cash aid. So you have some, way of monitoring.
Yeah, actually, meron tayong mga staff sa field, no. Pero this time, sa akin ba, we are giving them our full trust.
And confidence.
Sa lahat na confidence with all. Alam naman natin na what they are trying is to serve the people. Pero hindi malikayan na may mga reklamo sa atin na wala kami, ganito, hindi kami binigyan. So we are actually requesting our staff in the field assigned to validate the situation. And at the end of giving them SAP, kanang yes, ang financial assistance kasi ang dito sa Cebu, it's 6,000, no? 6,000. Depende 5 to 8,000 depende sa kuan. So sa atin dito, pag after at the end of the liquidation, binabalik nila yan yung liquidation form with sort of ano kasi gina-auditan man yan ang LGU ng COA. So kung may makita tayo na dili, we have to deal it within the guidelines. Within 72 hours, dapat aksyonan yan ng DSWD. Tapos, we have to investigate kung kailangan talaga. And there is a measure for this according to the MC. This is an interagency. Itong mga reklamo can be addressed by the Ombudsman, the DILG, parang ganon. O para hindi sa lahat ay ano ng DSWD.
DSWD has no more time for that. You have a lot of concerns.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some also government agencies that their role or their mandate is really to look after those erring officials.
Yes, Art, that's very good. Actually, in every payout that the LGU is doing, ginapabalo yan sa DSWD. And outrightly, meron tayong PNP dyan. PNP, meron tayong AFP na nagkatulong sa kanila, and there is the presence of DILG.
I see. So, when they receive the amount, those beneficiaries will go directly to the local government unit or to the municipal hall, or it will be delivered house to house.
Depende sa sitwasyon sa kung minsan social distancing sila. Kung minsan depende ang mga barangay kapitan naga house to house or depende.
But not through the ATM or other financial institution.
We have not
downloaded to
wala sa kanila
direct to the LGU.
Yes.
I see. I see. Okay. Some other programs, what are the other programs of DSWD?
Okay. Now, I would like to emphasize this, no, eventually, kining COVID, mawala man siya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully,
hopefully. And I am positive on that, no? But, well, we all know that because we are on the last days, ngayon marami na talagang kuan. But ano ang gawin ng DSWD? When after this addressing of this concern, ano ang gawin na? Ngayon, we are on the process of response. Diri kita. Pagkatapos mag-recovery na siya. So, sa recovery period, DSWD has a program which we call Sustainable Livelihood Program. Meron tayong special program dyan that will be given to the pumuluyo yung sa barangay.
I see.
The livelihood assistance grant.
I see. So this is after COVID.
This is after
this
COVID.
Is to sustain our people after the pandemic.
Yes. Sir, let's say for example, meron silang mga na-stop na mga vending activities, lahat. Okay, it can be either in the form of micro-enterprise development or micro-enterprise development na bigyan sila ng kapital para maka-start off again sila.
I see.
And some of them are actually doing this training na livelihood, na sila employment facilitation. So bigyan sila ng paagi or amount that can be used for that.
This is very interesting. Either it could be a grant, it could be a loan, or whatever. The Department of Social Work and Development will try to address the livelihood components of our citizens or brothers and sisters in the region.
Yeah.
Don't go away after this reminder. Okay, welcome once again to our weekly show, My Politics. This is your host, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is our very own Regional Director of the Department of Social Work and Development, DSWD, Ma'am Rebecca Geamala. Ma'am, how to accommodate na walang ma-left out? It's not easy, no? Being a Regional Director. I know that you want to serve all, but you cannot accommodate everybody.
Yeah. This responsibility, binibigay natin ito sa local government. Because they know who their people are.
Okay.
Sino sila. And they know kung nabigyan sila, wala. Parang ganon. So, pinalista natin ito. Pinalista. And then, pinasubmit natin sa DSWD. And every day, morning and evening, I am informing the Office of the Secretary ng ito, nagataas na. As of now, parang ang atin is 486,000 plus families in the region.
In the region,
Oo.
okay.
So mag-submit ang LGU, tulong LGU, then I believe magtaas na ito. So by the time we can probably
I see.
end.
Okay. So there are 3 remaining LGUs who have not submitted yet.
Yeah, because they wanted to be sure na talagang lahat na tao nila.
I see. Okay. Now, talking about the livelihood components program after COVID, and this is a very welcome development as far as DSWD is concerned, no? Because I thought this is just only for COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. What are the programs that your agency, your office is trying to implement after COVID, ma'am?
Yeah, basically we have actually so many programs and services, you know. But sa pangabuhian, sa mga ng mga pumuluyo natin, yung mga residents, especially those who are whose livelihood na stop ba, mga vendors, mga whatever, we will be giving the livelihood assistance grant, no, that is for those who really would love to reopen and restart their livelihood. Secondly, meron tayong social pension for the senior citizens. Actually, ining mga social pensions natin, this is a top-up program because this is their right. Talagang right ito ng mga walang pensyon ng mga senior citizens. Now, sige, as of now, while we are giving 6,000 pesos for the families who are poor and cannot eat because of the stoppage of work. Now, ang social pension sa mga indigent senior citizens natin, for the first semester, and ang iba sa kanila may 2019 pa. So, binibigay natin yan ngayon.
I see. Okay.
And then, on top of that, meron pa tayo yung ating kalahi program, no? So, ito sa mga communities where the people around can help, they can be provided with livelihood assistance para sa ila. Marami tayo. Yung pantawid natin is still ongoing, pero ang na-less lang sa kanila, yung educational needs nila, yung educational support. Kasi walang klase.
I see.
Okay. But we have the emergency assistance to individuals in crisis situation.
Okay. With that program on entrepreneurial program for a grant, how much that would be, Ma'am Rebecca?
Well, depende sa needs ng isang sang isang family. Parang 15,000 yata.
Okay.
Ang for a startup, sa association, it will go through the association. Let's say, for example, we are 25. Now, ayusin yan. Tapos, kung talagang makita na individually is ready, talang ibigyan sila ng...
So, the association will be accredited to the DSWD?
Yes, sir.
I see.
So, marami tayong mga programa sa DSWD na talagang ma-enjoy nila the moment that COVID will be out, meaning say sa recovery program.
Okay, that's good. No, aside from that, Ma'am Rebecca, ano pang programa yung DSWD?
But in the community, we have so many programs like Pantawid, social pension, yung kalahi CIDSS natin, NCDDP, yung SLP, Sustainable Livelihood Program, at saka mga senior citizens natin. So marami talaga tayong maibigay sa kanila.
Yeah, and you use so much of your programs and innovation on explaining what is the Social Amelioration Program, what are the programs prior to COVID as far as DSWD is concerned. And ako nakita ko naman na yung DSWD as an agency, you have a lot of info dissemination using a lot of medium. You know? Of course, radio is one. And the newspaper, a very regular update as far as the program of DSWD is concerned.
Yes, Art. Ito ang pinapasalamatan namin ngayon because you have invited us. No, and I really love to. It's not. I mean talking and talking, but this is the reality. Meron tayong SMS of na social marketing section where they are working on, let's say, pagpabalo sa mga tao, what should be done, what are the qualifications, parang ganun. Here in Region 7, gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo na magpanugid, magsumbong sa amin ba, kung nakagdawat mo or hindi, kung ano ang mga problema sa inyo, you can immediately call us. Bigay ko sa inyo ang hotline number.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Okay. Ang hotline number ng DSWD is, sa Smart, we have 0918 0918 912 2813. 2813. That is for Smart.
Okay.
Sa Globe, we have 0917 0917 703 0967. That is for Globe. Or you can, sa mga taong mga residents natin na merong mga internet, okay, you can email us.
Okay.
Important. SAP, SAP.FO7. SAP, SAP.FO7 at dswd.gov.ph.
Okay.
Now, meron tayong Facebook page. Facebook, gusto namin na mapabalo sa inyo, we have DSWD Region VII, yung Facebook page natin. Kung may mga reklamo ka mo, may mga concerns kayo, we are eager to answer that right away.
Okay.
Kasi I am giving them 1 day, the most 2 days, that these concerns shall be addressed.
I see. Ma'am Rebecca, prior to your assignment here in Region 7, where did you come from? What region did you serve?
Actually, I'm the regional director of Region 6.
I see.
Region 6, that's Iloilo, Aklan, Capiz, Antique, Negros, Occidental, and Guimaras.
How many years in the SWD, Ma'am Rebecca?
Now, I am almost 35 years.
Almost retirable.
Yeah.
Almost half of your life you serve with the government?
Yeah, and I am planning to retire age 60.
Too young to retire.
Okay.
Ma'am Rebecca, what is your participation or coordination with the social worker in the different local government units?
Actually, to be honest, no, para maintindihan ng lahat, noong 1991, wala pang devolution, all of the local government units, social workers are under the SWD.
Yeah.
But in 1991, pag devolution, the money, the people ng DSWD were actually integrated na doon na sila sa local government unit and they are under the local chief executive.
Yeah.
Now, what we are doing sa kanila ngayon is we have the TARA. Kaya mayroon TARA, Technical Assistance and Resource Augmentation.
Okay.
So, ang ginagawa natin, tinuturuan natin sila, okay, we are guiding them, giving them the resources whenever they need, just like this COVID, ito ngayon, pera ng gobyerno, through the SWD, but they are the ones implementing because resource augmentation. Ito.
I see. So, they could also help in, let's say, in making some validation on verification of who are those poorest among the poor.
Yes, sir.
To submit it to the DSWD.
Yeah. The moment it will be submitted to DSWD, in-actionan yan talaga. And because we have people in the field.
Okay. In making a demographic profiling, ma'am, how open is that? Yearly or what?
This SAP, for example, after 15 days, i-check namin yan kasi i-liquidate nila. Okay, pag makita kami na hindi, within 72 hours, dapat acted yan. Okay, and then, let's say for example, there are those families na talagang may pera sila, pero kinuha pa rin nila ang size meal. Okay, we have to request that dapat ibalik nila. Okay, or else they can be filed a case.
Do we have already a case something like that here in the region?
Dito ngayon wala pa. Wala
okay.
pa.
Yeah. How about in accommodating per family? Let's say in one house there are 3 or 2 families because it's already an extended family. So who will receive?
This is it, no? Yung issue ng household and families. No, talagang ngayon, this is family. Family. Ang household is isang bahay where there are many families, 1 or 2 or 3 or more families. Now ngayon, isa lang sa kanila, for example, ang nakakuha, or depende, dalawa, depende sa sitwasyon. Anong mangyari sa ibang families na talagang walang income, walang they have to report that to the DSWD. That can be considered as left out.
So who will report?
Yun yung mga barangay officials. So they have to give that names to the municipal social welfare office.
I see. So that's the role of the social worker.
Yes, because social workers are created to help these people around. Pag walay pigado, walay social work.
Okay. So other programs of DSWD, Ma'am Rebecca?
I have mentioned some of the programs already, no? Na ang sa akin na lang, for those na talagang hindi sila nakakuha. Let's say, they have financial, they are financially sound. Okay. Pero gusto talaga nila, they can be provided with some other support services. Let's say for example, ma'am, gusto namin magnegosyo kami. Ay, hindi kami binigyan ng size meal. They can write us and we have the PDOs, the Project Development Officers, na talagang ma-check natin kung tama ba yung sinasabi nila.
Evaluate
talaga.
To you.
Yes. Talagang kailangan na i-assess ang sitwasyon.
Okay. So, it's not the end of everything. We have a lot of programs, the DSWD, and Ma'am Rebecca, we still have a lot of issues to be discussed, but we are allotted only for 1 hour. Okay, so I hope and to our televiewers, with the discussions that we have this evening in our episode, lahat nakaintindi. And Ma'am Rebecca, our parting statement to our televiewers in the region and in Mindanao.
Yes. Good evening again. And I'm very happy that Sir Art has invited me to come over, no? Pasensya ka mo kay dili ko ka balong Cebuano, magbinisaya. I'm a pure Ilongga, Hiligaynon, no? Yung mga sinasabi ko, yung ano. But I'm telling you this thing, straight from my heart. How the DSWD wanted to help all. Because we believe na hindi imol, dili manggaranon, dili lang imol ang biktima. Okay. But DSWD has a lot of programs and services. Pag wala sa amin sa ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, the moment that you will call us through the text that I'm giving to you, I've given to you, we will act on that. No, pasensya na sa lahat. We really wanted to serve, but not all can be served of the SAP program of the government. So, Sir Art, thank you so much for helping us. No, talagang nasabi natin ang dapat maintindihan ng ating mga brothers and sisters. Okay,
Director Rebecca Geamala, our Regional Director of the DSWD. Thank you very much, ma'am, for guesting our program. This is your host, Art Barrit. Manamilit na lang umuingon, nga samtang muhingos pag-ilong sa tao. Iyang mga pangandoy o tingos bawan, way katapusan. Daghang salamat, good evening, and bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.